The previous tariffs, they laid the groundwork for DeepSeek's breakthrough. Additional restrictions could supercharge progress at another, much larger, definitely state-backed Chinese company, Huawei. And it could supercharge them in chips, the very foundation of the race. Now, as additional tariffs threaten to cut off access to them, Chinese AI companies may be forced to turn to Huawei's alternative.
Huawei just made a breakthrough that no one was supposed to know about. Their secret 6G chip manufacturing technique. And now, NVIDIA has a serious problem. How did Huawei pull this off? And what does it mean for the future of AI chips? Let's break it down. In a shocking development that's sending tremors through Silicon Valley, Huawei has quietly doubled the yield rate of its revolutionary Ascend 6G AI chips, from 20% to an impressive 40% in just 12 months. This manufacturing breakthrough isn't just a technical achievement. It's the first time their advanced chip production line has turned a profit, signaling a dramatic shift in the global AI landscape that NVIDIA never saw coming. Industry insiders speaking to the Financial Times have revealed that Huawei's secret manufacturing techniques for these 6G-ready processors are on track to reach 60% yields, matching what industry leader NVIDIA achieves with TSMC for their coveted H100 processors. What makes this truly remarkable is that Huawei accomplished this while under intense U.S. sanctions, partnering with state-owned Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corp. To develop their proprietary N+2 process. The genius behind Huawei's approach to these next-generation 6G chips? They've engineered a way to create cutting-edge AI processors without requiring the extreme ultraviolet lithography technology that American restrictions have blocked from entering China. This workaround has allowed them to schedule production of 100,000 Ascend 910C 6G processors alongside 300,000 Ascend 910B chips this year alone, numbers that have NVIDIA executives losing sleep. But what exactly makes Huawei's new 6G chip so revolutionary? Unlike conventional AI processors designed for today's computing needs, the Ascend 6G series is built from the ground up for the demands of tomorrow's hyper-connected world. These chips feature specialized neural processing units capable of handling the massive data streams that 6G networks will deliver, with theoretical speeds up to 100 times faster than current 5G capabilities. The Ascend 6G architecture incorporates quantum-resistant security protocols directly at the silicon level, preparing for a post-quantum computing era while simultaneously delivering unprecedented energy efficiency. Early benchmarks suggest that Huawei's 6G chips consume just 40% of the power that NVIDIA's data center processors require for comparable AI training tasks, a game-changing advantage as computing centers worldwide struggle with soaring energy costs. What's particularly impressive about Huawei's breakthrough is how they've optimized their 6G chips for specialized AI applications in fields like autonomous transportation, smart manufacturing, and advanced medical imaging. These aren't just general-purpose processors. They're purpose-built accelerators designed to process the multidimensional data streams that 6G networks will make possible, opening doors to applications we've only imagined in science fiction. While NVIDIA temporarily maintains its market leadership with an estimated $12 billion in Chinese sales last year, they're restricted to selling only their hamstrung H20 models in this vital market, chips deliberately limited to just 15% of the computing power of their flagship H100 processors. Meanwhile, Huawei faces no such restrictions with their rapidly improving Ascend 6G series, giving them a home field advantage in the world's largest technology market. But before we expose exactly how Huawei achieved this manufacturing miracle with their 6G chips and what it means for the future of AI development worldwide, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you're fascinated by the cutting edge of technology, your support helps us bring you more exclusive revelations like this one. Hit that subscribe button now. China-US rivalry enters the field of quantum technology. In December last year, U.S. tech giant Google announced that its latest quantum chip, Willow, could complete in 5 minutes calculations that would take conventional supercomputers 10-25 years, longer than the age of the universe, sending shockwaves through the tech world. As soon as the news broke, Tesla founder Elon Musk exclaimed, "Wow," on social media platform X, while OpenAI CEO Sam Altman also sent big congrats on the same platform. Beyond Willow's impressive computing power, Xiang Jing'an, founder and CEO of Shenzhen-based SpinQ, pointed out to Lianhe Zhaobao that the biggest highlight of Google's announcement was a more critical technological breakthrough, the significant progress in quantum error correction technology. What is QEC? The fundamental unit of quantum computing is the quantum bit, qubit, which differs fundamentally from the classical bit used in traditional computers. While classical bits can only exist in a state of 0 or 1, qubits can exist in a superposition of both 0 and 1 at the same time. This enables quantum computers to achieve exponential speed advantages when solving complex problems. Additionally, the phenomenon of entanglement between qubits gives quantum computers extraordinary parallel computing power. In simple terms, a traditional computer is like a car that must gradually accelerate along a road, while a quantum computer is like an airplane that can explore multiple flight paths simultaneously, reaching its destination at incredible speeds. QEC, quantum error correction, is like an automatic navigation system that constantly adjusts the course amid strong turbulence and unexpected disruptions, ensuring that the task is completed accurately and safely. However, qubits are highly susceptible to environmental noise, temperature fluctuations, electromagnetic interference, and other factors, which can cause information loss or computational errors. QEC is a key technology for ensuring the stable operation of quantum computing. It detects and corrects errors that occur during the computation process, improving the reliability and accuracy of the calculations. Extending the airplane analogy, QEC is like an automatic navigation system that constantly adjusts the course amid strong turbulence and unexpected disruptions, ensuring that the task is completed accurately and safely. The computational power of a quantum computer depends on the number of qubits, error rates, and error correction capabilities. Reducing error rates is one of the core challenges in transitioning from experimental devices to general-purpose quantum computers. Quantum error rates have dropped significantly over past decades. Xiang, a longtime researcher in quantum computing technology, said QEC is crucial for achieving large-scale practical quantum computing. Google's feasibility demonstration in this area means that the goal is not only possible, but may be achieved faster than originally expected. The computational power of a quantum computer depends on the number of qubits, error rates, and error correction capabilities. Reducing error rates is one of the core challenges in transitioning from experimental devices to general-purpose quantum computers. When interviewed, Professor José Ignacio Latorre, director of the Center for Quantum Technologies in Singapore, shared that quantum computing error rates have improved significantly in the past decade. He told me that 10 years ago, the error rate for a single quantum gate was about 10%. This was gradually reduced to 1% and is now further optimized to 0.1%. In just 10 years, the precision of quantum computing has improved 100-fold. Latorre said, "We've made significant progress, which is truly amazing. But for quantum computing to become useful, we believe we have to reach 0.001% errors." He predicts that with growing global investment in quantum technology, this goal could be realized within the next 5 years, which would be a key milestone in the development of quantum computing. Chinese companies accelerate expansion in future industries. Chinese artificial intelligence startup DeepSeek launched its Open Source Week initiative and released its first code repository, FlashMLA, on Monday to share their small but sincere progress with full transparency. FlashMLA is an optimization tool that makes large language models faster and more efficient, especially for high-performance AI tasks. It accelerates the decoding process, improving response time and throughput, crucial for real-time tasks such as chatbots and text generation. Previously, DeepSeek, based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province, announced that it would release 5 code repositories in succession, sharing their research progress with the global developer community in a completely transparent manner. On the same day, Alibaba Group announced that it will invest more than 380 billion yuan, $53 billion, in building cloud and AI hardware infrastructure in the next 3 years, capitalizing on the rapid growth of the AI industry. The explosive AI growth has far exceeded expectations, while the booming domestic science and technology industry has shown huge potential, said Eddie Wu, Alibaba Group's CEO. Alibaba will spare no effort to accelerate the construction of cloud and AI hardware infrastructure to promote the development of the whole industry. Chinese companies have rapidly expanded in emerging sectors like AI, demonstrating impressive growth and strategic foresight. Many tech firms are now making their mark on the global stage. Earlier in 2025, the overseas business team of Hangzhou Lingban Technology Co. Ltd. attended the International Consumer Electronics Show in the United States, introducing their groundbreaking AI-powered smart eyewear, Rokid glasses, which garnered significant attention in global markets. On the frontier of robotics, Unitree Robotics released its wheeled-limbed robotic dog, performing a series of complex maneuvers. Deep Robotics has recently deployed its X30 robotic dogs in a cable tunnel in Singapore to carry out inspection duties, becoming China's first robotic device used in an overseas power system. A total of 37 Chinese firms were included in Morgan Stanley's Humanoid 100 list of global companies poised to benefit from the rise of humanoid robots. Morgan Stanley highlighted China's remarkable progress in humanoid robotics, noting that many startups are set to benefit from a mature supply chain, application opportunities, and strong policy support. The Chinese government is placing significant emphasis on future industries like AI and humanoid robotics, which, while still in early stages, are seen as strategically important, disruptive, and full of innovation potential. Roughly 1 year ago, 7 Chinese government departments, including the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, issued guidelines to promote the development of future industries. The guideline called for efforts to develop signature products, enrich application scenarios, and optimize industrial supporting systems for future industries, particularly targeting 6 key fields including manufacturing, information, materials, energy, space, and health. According to the Global Innovation Index 2024, released by World Intellectual Property Organization, China ranked 11th in global innovation, making it one of the fastest-growing economies in terms of innovation since 2010. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics shows that in 2024, China's total spending on research and development amounted to 3.61 trillion yuan, securing its position as the world's second-largest spender on R&D. China is also highly active in investment, particularly in emerging sectors like high-end manufacturing, new energy, and new materials. In Zhejiang, the construction of 150 major projects set to begin in the first quarter of 2025, with 55 focusing on new quality productive forces. China has the technological accumulation, human capital, and policy support necessary to cultivate tech giants. Emerging sectors such as AI applications, semiconductor manufacturing, and high-end equipment are expected to produce a new wave of innovative companies, said Wu Xinkun, Chief Strategy Analyst at Haitong Securities. So what excites you most about Huawei's recent developments? Let me know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for other great videos. But this isn't the only recent Chinese tech development. If you check out our latest video on screen now, you can find out more. I recommend checking it out.